If you want to learn how to edit video like this or this, even this, using keyframe or the tracking tool in CapCut, then watch this video to the end. Welcome guys, my name is Emperor Kasi. Welcome to my first ever video editing tutorial using CapCut. In today's video tutorial, we're going to be using CapCut desktop. As we know, CapCut has both the desktop version or the mobile version. Even if you have a Windows PC or Apple PC, it is still the same. The interface is still the same. Okay, one more thing. For you to track objects using keyframe in CapCut, you don't need to be a pro version user. In other words, even if you use free CapCut version, you can still be able to use the keyframe in CapCut. Alright guys, let's go there. Open your CapCut in your PC, either Windows or Apple. As you can see here, my CapCut is already open. When you open your CapCut, import the video and the object you want to track. Here on my PC, as you can see, I have the video I want to use for this tutorial and the object I want to track, these two fragile elements. I got this object from Canva here, so in case you're a content creator, you should learn how to use Canva because it's very, very important in this time and age also. So when you import your clip and the elements or the objects you want to track, then bring your video to the timeline. This is your timeline. Yes. Also, bring the objects you want to track and make it an overlay. Like for me, this is the object I want to track. See, it is already an overlay. Yeah, simple as ABC. So time for us to add the keyframe to the object we want to track. Bring this talking playhead to the beginning of your video and the object, and make sure you perfectly align your overlay video with your main clip. Then size the objects you want to track, size them and place them to the exact spot you want the tracking to start. As for me, I want the tracking to be here. If you can see, my talking playhead is at the beginning of this video, well arranged. Okay, the next thing for us to do is go to video. You can see this is the video here. See basic, we have transform. Click on this diamond box. This box is what we call the keyframe. For this first tutorial, we are going to be using the keyframe to track this object. In case you're asking or wondering where's the keyframe in your CapCut's video editing software, this is the keyframe. This keyframe is still the same in the mobile version. So if you're using the mobile version or the desktop version, the keyframe icon, they are the same. In case you are using the mobile version, the keyframe is still the same. Okay, so time for us to start the tracking. Click on the object first of all. When you click on the object, go to video, basic, and click on transform. So when you click on this transform here, when you click on this keyframe here, the keyframe will be added to the overlay video automatically. As you can see here, you can see, right? So when you move this playhead here, always make sure you adjust the object you want to track according to the movement of the exact place you want this tracking to occur or happen. Just watch. You see, I move my talking playhead, I adjust my element or object I want to track. You can see. You see? Let me close this one so as not to distract you guys. See, okay? When you adjust, you move. When you adjust, you move. When you adjust, you move. See, it is very simple. So let us preview what we've just done now. As you can see, guys, it is very, very simple. Right, let us also track the second element we have, which is this one here. So I'm going to take this, play it back to the beginning of this video, align the objects where I want it to be, then still the same process. Also, as you can see, let me remove this keyframe. As you can see, once I come to this transform and click this keyframe here, the keyframe will be added automatically on this overlay clip I want to track. So the more I adjust, the more the keyframe will be added. You can see, guys, for you to get the perfect tracking using keyframe, make sure you gradually keep more space here, and make sure your timing and when to move the object to align to the exact spot you want to track is perfect. As you can see, because I don't want this video to be too long. Now, guys, let us preview the final video. Now see. Can you see how good and perfect this thing is? Alright, guys, let us move to the next tutorial using the track tool. Yes, so this one we want to use the text for this particular tutorial. Of course, we need to get our text. This is where the text is, in case you're using desktop and you don't know where your text is. This is text. So we have different kinds of text here to choose from. We have templates, so whichever one you want to choose from, or you want to use your own text. Then this one, I'm going to use my text. The first text, as you can see, edit two, delete one. I need to get these two clip together. I'm going to use the text. I'm going to use my name on this particular one, and Pericasi. Okay, then reduce the size of this text to, oh no, then I'm going to minimize this text. This is where I want the tracking to begin, which is here. Let's see. The tracking tool is very easy to use compared to the keyframe. Alright, place the text on the overlay of the main clip you want to track, like this one here. As you can see, this two, where my arrow is, you go to tracking. This is the tracking. This is the tracking. This is tracking. Click on this tracking. It's already clicked already. Click on the tracking. Choose motion tracking. As you can see, make sure you bring this box here where you want this tracking to take place. Here, this place. Close this box, because if you don't close this box, the object you want to track will keep increasing, so it may not look nice. Then you click start. This one might take time. As you can see, it's already tracking. Very easy. Very, very easy. Alright, guys, now let us preview the video we just finished tracking. As you can see, it is very, very easy. Very, very easy to track using the track tool, unlike the keyframe. Time for our final video using track tool in CapCut desktop For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using this object here. Sorry, I'll be using this one. Okay, so the first thing to do is to resize this object and place it on this mobile phone that I want to track, as you can see. And make sure your overlay clip and the main clip you want to track, they are perfectly aligned, and the talking play head is at the beginning of both clips like this, as you can see. Then click on the objects you want to track, go to your tracking tool, which is this one, click on this tracking and click on motion tracking, and make sure you perfectly align this box to the object you want to track. You see, make sure you align this box. This box will always be on the object you want to track, as you can see. Then close this scale, close. Then click on start. Allow the tracking to do its job. Very simple. Very simple. Alright guys, time for me to preview this last video. Voila, now check. Alright guys, finally let us preview the video we just finished editing, from the first one to the last one. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, before I go, let me give you guys one bonus. For this eye effect, it's very easy. Just go to effects, type eyes light effect. As you can see, they have several ones here. Pick whichever one you like and drag it on the video you want it to be. Like I'll put it on the first clip, the one we first did. Just watch. As you can see, you can adjust it to wherever way you want. Even the color, you can adjust everything. As you can see, it's changing. It has different colors, filter and colors. This is what we have. Okay. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. In my next video, I'll be dropping the mobile version of this same tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow me across all social media platforms. Thanks, and God bless.